Have you ever wondered why your skin gets covered in tiny raised bumps when you feel cold or experience intense emotions like fear or excitement? This seemingly simple yet intriguing phenomenon as goosebumps has puzzled scientists and fascinated curious minds for ages. So in this captivating video, we embark on a journey to explore the scientific and evolutionary underpinnings of goosebumps, unraveling the mysteries behind this peculiar bodily response. Section 1. The science of goosebumps. We kick off by delving into the science behind goosebumps, understanding the physiology of our skin and the role of tiny muscles called arrector pili that control hair follicles is crucial to comprehending this involuntary bodily reaction. Section 2. The cold connection. Explore how goosebumps are nature's way of adapting to cold temperatures. We examine how the body's fight or flight response triggers a reaction to keep us warm when exposed to chilly environments. Section 3. The emotional link. Delve into the intriguing link between emotions and goosebumps. Unravel the neural pathways that connect our emotional centers in the brain to the physical response of goosebumps. Section 4. Fear and excitement. Understand why fear and excitement are strong emotional triggers for goosebumps. We explore the evolutionary roots of these responses and how they helped our ancestors survive in dangerous situations. Section 5. The evolutionary perspective. Examine the evolutionary significance of goosebumps. We analyze how this ancient response dates back to our primal ancestors who were covered in body hair and how it has persisted through generations. Section 6. The fight or flight response. Unravel the intricate connection between the body's fight or flight response and goosebumps. We explore how the release of adrenaline and other stress hormones activates this reaction as part of our survival mechanism. Section 7. Social and cultural factors. Discover how social and cultural factors play a role in triggering goosebumps. We discuss instances like witnessing emotional performances or hearing moving music that evoke these bodily responses. Section 8. The connection to music. Dive into the fascinating relationship between music and goosebumps. We explore the science behind why certain melodies or lyrics have the power to send shivers down our spines. Section 9. The link to nostalgia. Explore how nostalgia can evoke goosebumps. We investigate why revisiting memories from the past can trigger this physical response and the role of the brain's hippocampus in this connection. Section 10. The role of empathy. Uncover how empathy can lead to goosebumps. We discuss the phenomenon of mirror neurons and how they allow us to experience the emotions of others, triggering our own physical responses. Section 11. The hair-raising effect. Understand why the hairs on our skin stand on end during goosebumps. We explore the evolutionary purpose of this response and how it relates to our ancestors' survival instinct. Section 12. The role of endorphins. Examine the role of endorphins in triggering goosebumps. We discuss how these feel-good chemicals can induce emotional responses and lead to the skin's raised bump. Section 13. The connection to asthma. Delve into the connection between asthma to autonomous sensory meridian response and goosebumps. We explore the similar tingling sensations and the role of relaxation in this response. Section 14. The effect of horror and thrillers. Explore why horror movies and thrilling experiences can induce goosebumps. We investigate the psychological factors at play and the brain's response to fear-inducing stimuli. Section 15. The role of genetics. Uncover how genetics can influence our susceptibility to goosebumps. We discuss how individual variations in neurotransmitter, receptors, and other genetic factors may impact this bodily response. Section 16. Medical conditions and goosebumps. Examine medical conditions that can affect the occurrence of goosebumps. We explore disorders like hyperhidrosis and cholinergic urticaria, where this response may be triggered more frequently. Section 17. The fight or flight response and modern life. Discuss the implications of the fight or flight response in modern life. We examine how our bodies may respond to stressors in contemporary environments, which differ from the dangers faced by our ancestors. Section 18. The impact of anxiety. Unravel the connection between anxiety and goosebumps. We explore how heightened stress levels can lead to increased bodily responses, including the skin's raised bump. Section 19. The autonomic nervous system. Explore the role of the autonomic nervous system in triggering goosebumps. We discuss the involuntary nature of this response and the complex neural processes involved. Section 20. How to induce goosebumps. For those curious about experiencing goosebumps intentionally, we offer techniques and stimuli that may evoke this response, such as watching emotional videos or listening to certain types of music. Section 21. Cultural perspectives on goosebumps. Discover how different cultures interpret and associate meaning with goosebumps. We explore the rich symbolism and beliefs surrounding this bodily response in various societies. Section 22. Controlling goosebumps. Examine the science behind controlling goosebumps. We discuss how meditation, breathing exercises, and other relaxation techniques may influence this bodily response. Section 23. The role of neurotransmitters. Dive into the role of neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine in triggering goosebumps. We explore their impact on emotional responses and physical sensations. Section 24. Goosebumps as an indicator of emotional depth. Discuss the idea that goosebumps may serve as an indicator of emotional depth and connection. We explore the concept of emotional resonance and how it relates to this response. Section 25. The psychological impact of goosebumps. Explore the psychological impact of experiencing goosebumps. We discuss how these physical sensations can influence our emotional state and memories. Section 26. How animals experience goosebumps. Unravel the connection between animals and goosebumps. We explore whether animals, particularly mammals, experience this bodily response in similar ways to humans. Section 27. Goosebumps as a survival mechanism. Examine how goosebumps may still serve as a survival mechanism today. We discuss how the fight or flight response can be useful in modern situations. Section 28. The relationship between fear and excitement. Explore the intriguing connection between fear and excitement as triggers goosebumps. We discuss how these seemingly opposing emotions can produce a similar physical response. Section 29. The brain's reward system. Uncover how the brain's reward system can influence goosebumps. We discuss the link between dopamine release and the pleasurable sensations associated with this bodily response. Section 30. The mind-body connection. In the final section, we contemplate the mind-body connection and how goosebumps serve as a remarkable reminder of our intertwined physical and emotional experiences. As we conclude this captivating exploration of goosebumps, we gain a profound appreciation for the complexity of our bodies and minds. The phenomenon of goosebumps reveals a fascinating interplay between our evolutionary past, emotions, and the sensory experiences that shape our understanding of the world around us. So the next time you feel those tiny raised bumps on your skin, remember that beneath the surface lies a rich tapestry of scientific wonder and the legacy of our ancestors' survival instincts that continue to endure within us.